Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. On this video I'm going to show you guys how to rearrange your category or on your server in Discord or your channels on the Discord server. So if you are using the desktop version, it's really easy. You just drag and drop and you can rearrange all these category and channels. But if you are using the Android version like me, like this, what you have to do, you just press on hold the server and then click more settings on it, and then click this settings. After that, you can see this is the channels option, and then as you can see on the top right corner there is the option of reorder. You can reorder the categories, the text channels, and also you can reorder the like this if you want to make it on the top, and so on and so on. It's really easy. And then if you want to reorder the channels, what you have to do, you just find these text channels and then you can reorder all of it. It's as you wish, it's up to you, and it's really easy. So that's it, this very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it does, please subscribe our channel, or you can click thanks on down below. We will really appreciate that. Thank you for watching guys. See you on the next video. Bye bye.